Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Today, let's dive into the basics of how to do bicycle crunches, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core and toning those abdominal muscles. Whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or looking to add a new challenge to your routine, mastering the bicycle crunch can bring you closer to your goals. Let's get started. Bicycle crunches are effective because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. This exercise not only helps in building core strength, but also improves stability and enhances overall posture. Perfecting your form is key to maximizing its benefits and avoiding strain. Follow along as we break down each step, ensuring you're set up for success in your workouts. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. By incorporating bicycle crunches into your regular routine and gradually increasing the intensity, you'll soon notice improvements in both strength and endurance. Stay tuned for more tips on how to enhance your fitness journey and achieve your health goals. Together, let's strive for progress and celebrate every milestone along the way.